hip pulse. Boom, boom, you turn it. Boom, boom, mambo release new. Hip pulse, boom. Hello everybody, this is Meet Me in the Middle. The middle of the routine. I describe the middle of the routine like the meat. It's the meat or the glue that gels everything together. Music, so here we go. You do 5, 6, 7, and 8, and rock that boom, boom, boom. You have this already, all these moves. Boom, 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 boom. You can get low with it here. African hip pulse, boom, boom. You can add a little variation to it. And figure eights, boom, 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 boom. You can get low with it. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. You can break it down. Boom, 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 boom. Merengue. Boom. You can take it around in the circle. You can take it down on that merengue. Boom, 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 boom. Those twists, remember? Boom, 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 boom. Back it up. Boom, the back step. Remember those we did in the other exercise? Boom, boom, hip together, step, flick, flick, hip together, step, flick, flick around the world. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, out, in, boom, boom, boom. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and swing. 2, 3, 4, out, in, knee, 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 knee. That's a variation that we're doing. A new Very good, you guys. Very good, very good, very good. Very nice.